Now I'm going to teach you how to unblock your Palmpay account. Let's say my Palmpay account has been blocked. Now what do I do? Well, first of all, why would your Palmpay account be blocked? Here's some of the reasons. Security concerns. Yes, maybe you've done something suspicious with your account. That's a suspicious activity. Or incomplete verification. You did not comply with terms and conditions, or you've borrowed money from FlexiCash and you haven't paid your fees or your charges. So what do? To avoid the account block, you follow the Palmpay terms and conditions, keep your account information up to date, monitor your account activity regularly, and report any suspicious transaction or issue. But let's say you've been blocked already. What do? You follow the following steps. You contact Palmpay support. Reach out to the customer support team through the app, the website, or the phone. Like I've told you before, you can get to the customer service support team by clicking on this icon over here, and then you can go for a live chat and you tell them what your problem is. Simple. Or you can walk in to their office. They have physical locations. You can walk into their office. You can also send them an email through support@palmpay.com. Their average response time is 24 hours, so it's going to take some time. Or you can look for the nearest agents by looking at services over here, nearby agents. But you need to allow locations so that they can know the nearest agent to you. So that's it. And then once you've done any of this, like you can see the list of some agents, then you walk in there and you explain your problem. But if you cannot do that, you check for security issues. Then you ensure your account has not been compromised. How? By changing your password and enabling two-factor authentication if available. So you have to change your password and enable two-factor authentication. Then you have to resolve any outstanding issues like incomplete verification or unpaid fees. You have to provide the required documents, if it is requested, of course, to verify your identity or your business. It depends if you're using the normal Palmpay app or the Palmpay business app. Now, you have to be extremely patient because they are going to review your case. It might take a few days, it might even take up to a month, depends on how fast it's done. Then you have to follow whatever information they give to you and provide whatever they ask for to the support team. Always check your email to look for updates or instruction from Palmpay support team. Be patient. Again, I'm emphasizing that because to unblock your request can take time. So you have to be patient and wait for a response. That is how to unblock your Palmpay account.